So here we are being greeted with our usual interface in Pixellab. So the first thing to do is to quickly delete the default text box, then go over here, click on image size, and for the purpose of this tutorial we're going to be using YouTube thumbnail. Click OK. This gives us a bigger canvas to work on. So without wasting time, we click on this to import our shape. This is good. Import the shape, click OK. We go back, import another shape, this, click OK. Then we're going to rotate 90 degree, reduce the height. Then we can drag this, then I click on these and duplicate, then I rotate, I drag it here. We can now go to mesh tool and merge the three items together, the three shapes. We have it, we adjust the size, import another shape, here. Are we there? So we click on this, adjust and merge the two items together. I click on OK to confirm the merging. Great. I give it color of black. We have something like this. I can now drag it to one side of the canvas. Let's get the second shape we want for the design. We click on this to import shape. Actually we're going to be using this. I click on OK. I rotate. I bring this here. I'm going to use this to make sure I get what I am looking for. I think this is good to go. I can decide to return this to its original position. I click on this, give it the color of black, just like the first shape. Then I quickly import another shape. I'll use to clip off this, click on OK. I drag it here, bring it to this point. I merge these two shapes together, confirm merging, go to erase color, click on enable, increase the tolerance to 70, click OK, copy immediately, center this, the original, click on the copy, center it too, then I merge the two together, I confirm merging. Great, we have this. Then I'm going to copy it, give it a color of white, that's to the copy, the duplicate. I give it white color, I reduce the size, I drag. I'm trying to get to the center of this design. Alright, so we import another shape, click OK. We click OK, then I merge these three shapes together. I confirm the merging. I go to erase color, and I have this. I draw the tolerance to 70. Great. I can now bring back our first design here, but then I have to, before that I have to duplicate this, then center the original using relative position as usual. Click on the copy, center it two together to form a single whole. Great. We bring it, I reduce the size, drag this to increase the height, reduce the size, then I bring this, reduce the size too. We have something like this, and I click on merge tool. The next thing is to import another shape, this shape, a square shape this time. I import it, I copy, I bring it here, I copy, I drag it here, I copy, I drag it here again. Then I merge the four shapes together. Great. After merging, I duplicate it. I center this main design here. I center these two. Then I reduce the size and drag it down. I'm gonna crop it. I go to crop. I crop this part. Click OK. Bring this over here. So firstly, I'm going to give this color of black before I merge all of them together. I give this black color, I click OK. So the next thing is to merge all the shapes together. Click OK. Good. I go to erase color, erase, drag to 70, click OK. Then before anything, I have to copy this, center this using relative position, go to the copy, repeat same process, click OK. Then I merge the two of them together, merge the two, confirm merging, and we have our design. It's called Osita property. Osita property. Osita. I'm just gonna use this name first. I go over to font style. I want to use Roboto medium for this, my fonts. Roboto medium, or say Roboto black. And click OK. Then there is something I needed to add to this design, so I'm going to drag this to one side. I import a shape, this time a circle. I'm going to give it a black color. Click OK. I go over, copy it, change the color of the copy to white, then drag it over here, reduce the size a bit. This is good. Something like this is good. Click OK. Go over to erase color, drag this to 70, then click OK. Before anything else, I copy it, center this using relative position, click on the copy, center it using relative position too, click OK. Then I merge the two together. I merge the two. Here we have this. I can increase the size, these two together. On this, I bring back my name, the name of my logo. I bring it back. The next thing is to add the texture color to it, to the design. I go over to texture, click on it, it takes me to my gallery. The image you want to use for the texture is saved to my download folder. So I'm going to drag down, click OK. Yes, here we have it. Then I'm going to go back to texture, enable it, and set the scale to paste. I OK it. I repeat same process for the text. Go back to texture, click on it, it takes me to my gallery still. I go over to my download folder, scroll down, pick my image for the texture, click OK. Great. Go back to texture, enable it. I think it's good to go this way. I increase the size a bit. So the next thing is to add a background to our design. It will give it more beauty, it will make it to contrast, and we'll see the beauty of what we have been designing all this while. So I'm going to go to gallery again, but this time around I'm going over to my Pixellab folder. That's where my background is saved to, and I pick it. So I drag to fill the canvas. I go over here and send to back, and I design to the front. This is beautiful as usual. So we add some touches, go over to 3D, enable 3D, reduce the depth to say 4, increase the depth color to 30%, darkness Rotation, we add some rotation to it. X rotation, add some Z rotation too. Some Z rotation too. Let's make this depth size to be 5. Then I come back to the text, repeat same process, go to 3D text, enable it, reduce the depthness to 5, increase this to 100%, add some X rotation, add some Z rotation too, and drag it over. Bring it to front. Then I'm going to duplicate this text. The name of the logo is Osita property. Because I don't want to repeat same process for the text, I have to finish everything about it. Then I duplicate it and I have the whole effect on it automatically. So I'm just going to write the name property here. Property. Okay. Then I go to size. I reduce the size to 34 or say 36. 38 is okay. I go to line spacing, no, letter spacing, increase it to 30 to 30. I click OK and we are done with our design. So you click here to save. We are saving as a JPG in ultra quality. It renders and saves to your gallery.